What makes Sao Paulo so well known? By the end of the 20th century and the start of the 21st, Sao Paulo was one of the world's most populated cities and the primary financial hub of South America. Currently ranked as an Alpha Global City, Sao Paulo is the most influential Brazilian city on the international scene. Sao Paulo, Brazil's bustling financial hub, is one of the most populous cities globally, known for its diverse cultural institutions and rich architectural heritage. It features a variety of iconic structures, including the neo-gothic Cathedral, the 1929 Martinelli skyscraper, and Oscar Niemeyer's modernist Edifício Copen. The city's historical roots are represented by the colonial-style Patio do Colégio Church, where Jesuit priests established Sao Paulo in 1554. Sao Paulo is indeed larger than New York City in terms of population, and is considered the most populated city in Brazil and the Southern Hemisphere. Key points. Population comparison. Sao Paulo has a significantly larger population than New York City. Southern Hemisphere status. Sao Paulo holds the title of the most populated city in the Southern Hemisphere. Brazil's largest city. Sao Paulo is also the most populated city within Brazil. While Sao Paulo is a popular place for travelers, it is also somewhat affordable and less expensive to visit. The average daily cost is $56, which is one of the many reasons for its popularity with tourists. What makes Sao Paulo unique? Monuments, parks, and museums like the Latin American Memorial Ibirapura Park, Sao Paulo Museum of Art, Pinacoteca, Cinemateca, Itaú Cultural, Museum of Ipiranga, Catavento Museum, Football Museum, Museum of the Portuguese Language, and more can be found in this city, which is one of the major cultural centers in Latin America. How many days is enough to spend in Sao Paulo? You will have enough time to view the attractions, explore the local cuisine or art scene, and venture into the countryside for a look outside the skyscrapers during your 3 days in Brazil's largest city. Here are some suggestions for your trip in Sao Paulo. Which Sao Paulo street is the most well-known? Paulista Avenue. One of the most significant avenues in Sao Paulo, Brazil, is Paulista Avenue, Avenida Paulista in Portuguese, which is the demonym for those who were born in the state of Sao Paulo. It goes northwest to southeast for 2.8 kilometers, 1.7 miles. How do visitors navigate Brazil? By bus. Despite the distances involved, Brazil's bus system is first-rate and makes traveling around the nation simple, comfortable, and affordable. Intercity buses depart from a rodoviária stop, which is often located on the outskirts of the city. Is Brazil costly or cheap? Brazil is generally regarded as a fairly affordable destination, which means that, especially when compared to other South American countries, it is possible to travel there on a budget with reasonably priced lodging, food, and transportation. However, prices can vary depending on where you go and the activities you choose, with major cities like Rio de Janeiro and Sao Paulo possibly costing more than smaller towns. Why is Sao Paulo popular? It should come as no surprise that Sao Paulo has all the conveniences and complaints of a megacity in its modern life. There are many benefits to living in an urban area, including a thriving local culture, leisure and entertainment options, retail centers, and last but not least, intriguing business prospects. Please remember to subscribe and click the bell icon. Feel free to leave a comment. Thank you.